So you can go to the Learn instance and log in as an administrator. So I will log into my Learn instance, and you will need to go to the administrator panel and search for the integration section. And in this section you will find the REST API integrations option. So this is the one that we will use. So here we will need to create a new integration, which is basically with the application ID that we just generated. So I will create a new integration here. And as you see, it will ask me for the application ID, which is this one, and a learn user. I will use the administrator user, but you need to have in mind that the user that you use here could affect the way that the APIs behave. For example, I am using the administrator here, which has all the permissions enabled and will receive basically all the information from the APIs. But if, for example, you have a custom user and it doesn't have certain privileges, maybe the API won't return all the information that you may need. So you have to keep in mind that the user using here needs to have the privilege to basically make the API requests and grant the information needed for your test purposes. So I will submit this integration, and here it is basically already created. So with this we are good to go with the API consumption.